Well, temperatures across East Texas are rising, and we're all trying to find a way to cool off. How about a cold, sweet treat? I don't know, it sounds good to me. Even though it's breakfast time, a blizzard sounds pretty good right now, and Dairy Queen is celebrating a pretty cool milestone. It is the 40th anniversary of the blizzard. Mary Jane Coker and Jason Allred join us live this morning. And also we have this very large blizzard joining us. So we want to find out, how are we celebrating the blizzard this time around, Mary Jane?
Well, we are celebrating the 40th anniversary, like you said. We are going through Texas, doing a tour all across Texas, taking all our 5 amazing summer blizzards to places to you, to TV, to radio, and just, celebrating the life and fun adventures of the blizzard.
It is like
That's
a
awesome.
staple, right?
Yeah. I mean, growing up in a small town, we had Dairy Queen. My original Dairy Queen is still like how it was back in the day with those the bricks and the tiles and everything. So nostalgic. What's also nostalgic is the blizzard itself. What makes it so unique? And I guess what's the secret ingredient for you guys?
Well, I can't really tell you the secret, but there are over 170 blizzard recipes that launched in 1985. When it did launch in 1985, there was over 100 million blizzards sold that year.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
So it's, it's obviously very loved, brings joy. And in fact, today we're going to go visit one of the local hospitals here and take them some treats and surprise and delight some of the children and the nurses and the doctors. So we're excited to do that later this afternoon as well.
That's wonderful. That's one of the things. It is like a treat. When you have a blizzard, you feel like happy. But tell me a little bit about this. Why the red spoon?
It's just an iconic red spoon. It stands out. You want to take it and just take a bite out of it.
Oh, I definitely want to take a bite out of it.
Yes. And I believe you're having the confetti cake.
I am. It's so good. Oh, hey, blizzard.
Which is part of the summer blizzard menu.
I have the strawberry cheesecake.
Oh,
Yes.
which is a new flavor.
This is brand new, strawberry dipped cheesecake.
Good.
It has chocolate chunks in it, along with pieces of cheesecake. Yet very yummy. Also part of the summer blizzard menu is the s'mores, which just like it sounds.
There you go.
There you go.
Can I work at Blizzard now?
Yes, you
And
can.
what's the other? There's another new one, right?
There is another new one. It's the mixing bowl mashup, which is brownie batter and chocolate chip cookie dough. So think about when you were a child and you're dipping your spoon into the bowl of your grandmother's brownie.
That was one of my favorites.
That's what it tastes like.
Ooh.
Ooh,
It
I'm
is
going to have to make
so
a stop
good.
there.
So
Right.
good. So
Do you have a personal favorite of the summer menu?
I love the mixing bowl mashup.
Oh, sounds
Yes.
delicious.
Very
I'll
nostalgic.
have to try it.
Yes.
And the cotton
yes.
candy's also back too.
Cotton candy is back, and that is a fan favorite with kids.
Yes, of course.
And
I must be a kid at heart, because this confetti one is excellent. My daughter loves it too.
That's
Yes.
awesome.
Yeah.
I'm a personal favorite of the s'mores flavored anything. So that's the one that's coming back as well, the s'mores
yes,
flavors.
that is true. One of the 5. So,
That's awesome.
And if you don't like any of those, they have their signature flavors, which of course is the Oreo and Snickers. Snickers is also another one of my favorites.
Sarah, what's your favorite flavor?
Oh, I don't know. I have to go with either a classic vanilla or a chocolate. I'm a little bit basic, but hey, you can't go wrong with a
You
classic.
can't go wrong with any flavor.
Jesus?
I'm gonna have to go with the strawberry cheesecake one right now. Originally, it was with the cheesecake flavor. Strawberry within it, top tier.
I'm Butterfinger all the way. Have been since 1985.
Awesome. Awesome.
And we've got Miracle Treat Day coming up too.
We do. We have Miracle Treat Day. It's July 31st, and all the participating Dairy Queens here in Tyler are going to donate either $1 or more to one of the Children's Miracle Network hospitals here in Tyler. So it goes back to the community, and we're excited to do a little surprise today for the children.
I
And
know, that's going to be great.
So I'm sure they're gonna enjoy it.
yes, yes.
So are you taking the blizzard around to play?
We are taking Mr. Blizzard on the tour. He is going to be one popular guy.
I know, it's a lot of fun. I don't know if y'all can
What
tell.
flavor is Mr. Blizzard?
Looks like
Some Oreo. I see some Oreo up in there.
Let's see. Definitely
Taste some Oreo in there.
Oh, delish.
Oh man. How
I
often?
appreciate you coming and bringing this. This is so good and so nice, and we appreciate you being here.
Oh, thank you for having us.
Absolutely.
We're excited. Hope you enjoy your sweet treat
Oh, we
today.
will.
and-
For breakfast.
Thank you so much.
Ice cream for breakfast, blizzard for breakfast. We got
Has
it.
Derek's milk.
Perfect.
We'll be right back after the break.